In this session, we are going to learn about the interrogative word or question word. An interrogative word or question word is a function word used to ask a question and is punctuated with a question mark in the sentence. Example: what is your name? How are you? Where are you coming from? The interrogative or question words are what, which, when, where, who, whom, whose, why, whether, and how. They are sometimes called WH words. They may be used in both direct questions, example, where is he going? And in indirect questions, example, I wonder where he is going. It allows you to gather information and clear up confusion. Now, we will learn the question word what. What is used to refer to specific information. It is used to know the thing. Example, what is your name? What is our favorite color? What is the time? Now, we will learn the question word which. Which is used when a choice needs to be made. It is used to know the thing between alternatives. Example, which dish did you order, the pizza or the pasta? Which day do you prefer for a meeting, today or tomorrow? Which is better, this one or that one? Now, we will learn the question word who. Who is only used when referring to people. It is used to know the person. Example, who is the best football player in the world? Who are your best friends? Who is that strange guy over there? Now, we will learn the question word where. Where is used when referring to a place or location. It is used to know the place. Example, where is the library? Where do you live? Where are my shoes? Now, we will learn the question word when. When is used to refer to a time or an occasion. It is used to know the time. Example, when do the shops open? When is his birthday? When are we going to finish? Now, we will learn the question word why. Why is used to obtain an explanation or a reason. It is used to know the reason. Example, why do we need a nanny? Why are they always late? Why does he complain all the time? Normally, the response begins with because. Now, we will learn the question word how. How is used to describe the manner that something is done. It is to know the way. Example, how do you cook biryani? How does he know the answer? How can I learn English quickly? With how, there are a number of other expressions that are used in questions. How much refers to a quantity or a price. Uncountable nouns. Example, how much time do you have to finish the test? How much is the jacket on display in the window? How much money will I need? How many refers to a quantity. Countable nouns. Example, how many days are there in April? How many people live in this city? How many brothers and sisters do you have? How often refers to frequency. Example, how often do you visit your grandmother? How often does she study? How often are you sick? How far refers to distance. Example, how far is the university from your house? How far is the bus stop from here? As an assignment to this learning session, note down these sentences in a notebook and write the questions using what, when, why, how, where, which and who. Thank you.